Hi guys, this is Coach Rocky. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a roof rack and fit the kit to a Honda Odyssey 2017. This is the model. Hopefully you guys appreciate it. Like the video, say thank you, share and subscribe. Let's go.
Here's a few tips for you to choose a roof rack project. Number 1, which brand you're going to choose. Number 2, the fitted kit and the crossbar are suitable for your car. Number 3, do you need a roof box? Number 4, choose the suitable size of roof box to suit your need, the budget, the style or the purpose. Number 5, if you have a roof box that not use it, where are you going to keep in your home? Are you living in an apartment or house? I keep my roof box on the top of my ceiling and my garage. How about you? Go to the website and search your car, Honda Odyssey 2017 or 2014, whatever. So my model is 2017 Honda Odyssey. So here's the few brand. So you can see in the market have few brand that you can choose. The most popular is the Prorack and the Rhino Rack. Myself is choose the Prorack and the fitted kit. I think it's the valuable. You have no budget issue. I reckon to go for the Rhino Rack. So my roof rack is the Prorack S17. The width is 1350mm width. But if you choose the Rhino Rack, the Vortex one is 1260. So just sit on the top of your roof. Little bit extra room, you can put extra stuff on the top. If you decide to get a roof box, make sure you know your size of the length of the box you purchase. This is the Rhino box. It's about 1770. The one that I had is just under 1000 centimeter.
So this is the Honda Odyssey stripe on both sides. So it's rubber plastic, so don't bend it. And underneath is metal. If you bend it, it will have some mark. So be careful when you open it. So you can see I'll read through the hole and put the nuts on. So first, number 5A, you start from the back here. That's easy. So open the inside here. Because I opened many times, so you see the rubber here. Don't bend, don't damage it. So you can put a towel down there and just turn. Yeah, turn just one click, and step by step also all the way to the back there. On here, yeah, put your screwdriver. Just slightly loosen up the whole thing. Yeah. You can see the whole thing just loosening up inside. Just put your fingertip or your screwdriver slightly moving on the left and right, and look inside and find the white clip here. So once you see the white clip, you can just push. You can push a little bit and turn a little bit to lock the clip. Yeah. This is got a one clip. What they look like, I'm gonna come back with you. Yeah, this is a white quick. This is a purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 purple one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's between around 15 centimeter width, all the way down there. So the first one you're gonna take out is this purple one. So this is one more purple lock I already took off when I installed it. See the purple one here? So you can use the screwdriver, same thing, to help you to pack it up easy, because I already loosened up for you guys to watch easy. So this is a purple, this is lock here. So you can go put your finger, yep, up and off. They're just positioning the strip, not moving up and down. And you can see I bend the thing a little bit here. So they got another purple one just right here, okay? So I'll already do the hole. So I didn't take the whole strip off all the way. I don't want to, so I stopped it here. Okay, I think this is the most important you guys need to know is this is the bottom look like. See, there's a hole there for you to lock the screw. So where's the screw is right here. See that part there? See the screw? See the hole there for you to get the screw? Screw is here. So second part is look at 5B. So you're gonna draw a line, just mark a pencil line from this screw here. Make sure you thread down. See, mark down the line down this way. Mark a straight line, and then make sure you are in the middle. If the screw not in the middle, your stripe go a little bit sideways. So make sure this is in the middle, and then take the strap out. What I do is take the strap out, put a piece of wood or anything that to protect here, put a towel underneath, and put a slightly wood on the top of this one and make it flat. And they come with the jewel as well, yeah, the size of 4.9 jewel. Then drill a hole in the middle, yeah, drill 2 holes, one over there, one over here. So once you draw the hole, you put everything back in. So after you drill that 2 holes, you put the strap, put it back to make sure the triple lock is go back to this hole, the screw at the top bottom. If not, this strap will pop out. So now I'm gonna put it back in, and then I'm gonna put this screw into it. So now is put this screw right into the P hole area. Make sure you tighten it up. So this is a Honda Odyssey. The strap on the top. You can see this 2 hole is already PG. On the other side already done, so I'm not going to show you. So now we're going to put the screw on the top of this nut. So if you look at this menu, after 5F is 5G. So after this long screw put into it, you can put your fitted kit on the top. They come with a size of Allen key, so you can tighten it up at the end. So the adapter kit, fitting kit, they come with the bottom of the rubber. 4 of them fit all the Prorack. So you can see here all the rubber here. Yeah, that's the bottom of the stand, and then also the nuts, the lock, everything come with. So every single of this model fit in here. This is the S17. See so many stretch. So they come with the bar like that. You're gonna adjust the bar, the length of your car, the width of your car. I already set my car, so I'm not gonna readjust it. So if you look at this rubber, yeah, I'm gonna put that on the other side first. Easy for me. So this rubber right sit on the top of here. Yes, same of many other roof rack. I sit in the middle. Now is the roof rack crossbar. So you put on top of this rubber. Fit perfectly. See that? So you can move it side to side. Same of other one. Make sure you're in the middle. So you're gonna take this up. Put this cover and lock it on the top. Make sure the screw. See, the screw is over now, yeah? So same of other side. And we got all these key to tighten it up. So first I will recommend you guys not tie it up too tight. Just a little bit positioning, don't let it move, and then you can at least move the bar a little bit of the position you really like, or you make sure that is the right position. And go outside, take a car, look at this bar, is out or in, you know, just make sure you can adjust. I don't know which type of bar you're getting. So I just positioning there, and I'm gonna do the other side, and I could put my other bar here and tighten it up. The crossbar and the stripe is already installed in the Honda Odyssey 2017. Now the final part is make sure they only have one key each. One key is for this lock, one key is for my roof port lock. So this is for us to lock cover the glue and also protect. Roof rack crossbar on the Honda Odyssey is done. So this is a Prorack S17 135 centimeter width with the Prorack fitted kit. Hope you guys like it.